everybody, it's time to start the adventure in Budapest, the capital of Hungary.
Departing from Beijing, you need 9 hours to fly directly to Budapest. The Blue Danube River divides the city into two parts. The western part is called Buda, which is a mountain city and belongs to the castle area. The eastern part is called Pest. It's a flat old town. 9 bridges across the Danube River connect Buda and Pest as one.
Hi, morning.
Staying in the old town on the Pest side, you can take a 10-minute walk to explore the oldest market in Europe, the Great Market Hall of Budapest. There are various Hungarian delicates.
匈牙利煎饼果子看见没？但是带努特拉强力酱的。
You must try the traditional Hungarian snack langosh.
但是这还挺好吃的。
The Slavic snack called pizza is also delicious. This market is really good choice of Hungarian souvenirs and presents.
这个市场还是非常非常值得逛的。哇哦！
Afterwards, you can walk along the Danube River and climb to the inner city parish church, overlooking the sparkling golden Danube River and Elizabeth Bridge, and enjoy the day and night of the bridge through a big projection.
Estas não são e aqui estas mulheres são né?
If you're hungry, I will recommend the Szegedi Halász Csapda to you, a special restaurant 600 meters away. You can enjoy the Hungarian fish dishes here to taste the freshness of the Danube River. Before the sun goes down, you can get on the Mahat cruise ship at the Vigadó station. Just spending 1,500 florins, you can enjoy a 1.5-hour round-trip journey. As night falls, take the tram number 2 and go around the Hungarian Parliament building in one stop. Getting off the tram and walking 170 meters, you will arrive at the Gorsud Lajos Square station of M2 subway.
这个电梯一直挖到河下面，所以它非常非常的深，而且速度贼快。
Just one stop, the subway will take you to across the Danube River from Pest to Buda. Remember to get off at the Bojani Square station.
哇塞，我们现在到那个河对岸了。
For a late night snack, you can order a grilled meat platter from a street bistro and treat yourself to high-quality protein. That's all for today. Night night.
The next day.
哇，我们窗外院子里有一个健身房。
We need to get up early today because it's time for an immersive visit to the Parliament building.
这是早上8点多的布达佩斯，没啥人。我的左手边就是国会大厦，这也太美了吧 ！Hi, morning.
You country?
China.
China.
Yeah, I'm tourist.
The Parliament building is open at 8 a.m. You can book a Chinese-speaking tour in advance or buy a ticket on sit and join a random group. Is one of the oldest legislative buildings in Europe. The entire building is luxuriously used 40 kilograms of gold as building materials, in addition to 400,000 bricks and 1 million pieces of precious stones. More surprisingly, at that time they even had electric lights, elevators, mechanical ventilation, and other advanced technologies. The whole trip is quite impressive. Our next stop will be a century-old coffee shop, which is famous as the most beautiful cafe in the world, the New York Cafe. It will be enjoyable for both of your mind and body to taste a cup of traditional Hungarian coffee and yummy desserts in a splendid palace-like environment. If you're lucky, there will be chance to hear the famous Chinese music. After coming out of the cafe, walk less than 2 kilometers to visit Hungary's top art palace, Hungarian State Opera House.
现在里面在演出，我们可以听到。
The famous St. Stephen's Basilica is also nearby. You won't regret visiting this incredible treasure. Well, we've finished our trip in Pest, and now let's go to Buda. This is the Matthias Church. It has a history of more than 700 years. The coronation ceremonies of all Hungarian kings were held here.
看到一个新郎和新娘，哇 Today is your wedding day?
Yes.
So, in the church?
Yes.
Great! It's the most beautiful church. You will have it all the time, all life. Thank you. How old is he? 2 years. Oh. Oh, tomorrow. Happy birthday!
The cafe named Panorama next to the church is a must-visit spot. You can relax in the scenic seat, have a cup of coffee and beer, and enjoy the panoramic view of the Danube River and Pest. It will be extremely lovely. Further ahead is the Fisherman's Bastion, built in 1905, and it's said that this is the spot where young locals exchange their first kisses the most. After coming down from the Fisherman's Bastion, let's take the 150-year-old funicular up the mountain.
你好，布达，你好，佩斯，好美啊！我天哪！
What a beautiful view we have here. This is the Buda Castle, built in the 13th century. It used to be the palace of the Hungarian kings as well as the political center. We can also take the funicular down the mountain. Then walk through the Shanny chain bridge and hit the Ferris wheel called Budapest Eye. Hope that those who wish here will have their wishes come true.
There is still so much more of Budapest to explore. Looking forward to your sharing. In the next episode, I will take you to visit a Hungry family and see what dishes are on their home table.
哇，这一大盘哦！
I'm Yummy Shanny, here to show you the best food and travel experience globally. Share and like the video and subscribe my channel. See you next time. Bye bye.